Welcome to our new video. In this video, we will going to cover top 30 biology MCQ 2024. So let's start the video. Which is the largest gland in the human body? Thyroid, liver, pancreas, none of these. So the correct answer is option B. Liver is the largest gland in the human body. Red blood cells are formed in bone marrow, liver, heart, pelvis. So the correct answer is option A. Red blood cells are formed in bone marrow. Which of the following glands secrete tears? Lacrimal, pituitary, thyroid, pancreas. So the correct answer is option A. Lacrimal gland secrete tears. Which of the following helps in clotting of blood? Vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin D, vitamin K. So the correct answer is option D. Vitamin K helps in clotting of blood. Which organelle is responsible for detoxifying harmful substances in the cell? Lysosome, Golgi apparatus, peroxisome, nucleus. So the correct answer is option C. Peroxisome organelle is responsible for detoxifying harmful substances in the cell. Which is the primary function of white blood cells? Carrying oxygen, digesting food, fighting infections, transporting hormones. So the correct answer is option C. The primary function of white blood cells is fighting infections. Which gland in the human body is called the master gland? Pancreas, thyroid, pituitary, spleen. So the correct answer is option C. Pituitary gland in the human body is called the master gland. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? Liver, pancreas, kidney, stomach. So the correct answer is option B. Pancreas organ in the human body produces insulin. Human body does not produce its protein, fibers, vitamins, hormones. So the correct answer is option C. Human body does not produce its vitamins. Which type of tissue connects muscle to bone in the human body? Cartilage, ligament, tendon, adipose tissue. So the correct answer is option C. Tendon is the type of tissue which connects muscle to bone in the human body. Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. So the correct answer is option D. Vitamin D is known as the sunshine vitamin. Which of the following vitamins promote healthy functioning of eyes in human beings? Vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin D. So the correct answer is option C. Vitamin A promotes healthy functioning of eyes in human beings. What is the name of the process by which plants lose water vapor through their leaves? Transpiration, condensation, evaporation, none of these. So the correct answer is option A. Transpiration is the name of the process by which plants lose water vapor through their leaves. Which blood vessels carry oxygenated blood away from the heart? Arteries, veins, capillaries, venules. So the correct answer is option A. Arteries blood vessels carry oxygenated blood away from the heart. Which of the following microorganism is used in milk curdling? Bacillus, Lactobacillus, Ectobacter, none of these. So the correct answer is option B. Lactobacillus microorganism is used in milk curdling. What is the process by which a caterpillar transforms into a butterfly? Fertilization, metamorphosis, photosynthesis, respiration. So the correct answer is option B. Metamorphosis is the process by which a caterpillar transforms into a butterfly. Animal without red blood cells is frog, earthworm, snake, peacock. So the correct answer is option B. Animal without red blood cells is earthworm. The average heartbeat per minute in a normal man is 50, 70, 80, 100. So the correct answer is option B. The average heartbeat per minute in a normal man is 70. Which process involves the conversion of glucose into energy within the cell? Photosynthesis, respiration, digestion, fermentation. So the correct answer is option B. Respiration process involves the conversion of glucose into energy within the cell. Which part of the human brain is responsible for regulating balance and coordination? Cerebrum, medulla oblongata, cerebellum, hypothalamus. So the correct answer is option C. Cerebellum is the part of the human brain which is responsible for regulating balance and coordination. Which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect on Earth? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, methane. So the correct answer is option B. Carbon dioxide gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect on Earth. 1 gram of carbohydrate gives energy, which is about 3 kilocalorie, 2 kilocalorie, 4.2 kilocalorie, 8.1 kilocalorie. So the correct answer is option C. 1 gram of carbohydrate gives energy, which is about 4.2 kilocalorie. Malaria is a disease which affects the heart, lungs, spleen, kidneys. So the correct answer is option C. Malaria is a disease which affects the spleen. Which blood type is considered the universal donor? A, B, AB, O. So the correct answer is option B. O blood type is considered the universal donor. Which of the following forms the raw material for coenzymes? Vitamins, proteins, metals, carbohydrates. So the correct answer is option A. Vitamin forms the raw material for coenzymes. Which process involves the movement of water through a semi-permeable membrane to balance concentrations? Osmosis, diffusion, active transport, facilitated transport. So the correct answer is option A. Osmosis process involves the movement of water through a semi-permeable membrane to balance concentrations. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? Mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum. So the correct answer is option C. Ribosome organelle is responsible for protein synthesis. Which gas is released during photosynthesis as a byproduct? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen. So the correct answer is option A. Oxygen gas is released during photosynthesis as a byproduct. Who hypothesized that new cells are formed from the previously existing living cell? Lewis Pasteur, Swan and Sleeden, Rudolf Virchow, none of the above. So the correct answer is option C, Rudolf Virchow. Kingdom Munera is also known as Archaea, Eukaryote, Prokaryote, none of the above. So the correct answer is option C, Kingdom Munera is also known as Prokaryote. Thanks for watching. Subscribe MCQs1 for latest informative MCQ.